Hi, good afternoon. So today I'm going to talk to you about, we've been talking about designing our own classroom, and I had the privilege and experience of designing my classroom. This last school year, it was nothing but blueprints, and I had to design my own classroom. I had to pick out every shelf. We worked with a carpenter to build the shelves and picked out every item in my classroom. So I picked out every table and I put everything in its place. So this website helps me out a great deal to order different things. Right now I'm at home due to the pandemic, but I still look at this website to order things for myself and my son for doing Montessori at home. So we all know Amazon.com. So if you don't have an account, you can just sign in. You'll go type in Amazon in your browser. At the top of the browser, you'll type in Amazon.com, and then you'll sign in right here at this top tab at the upper right corner where it says sign in. And I'm going to sign in to my Amazon account. So I'm going to sign in really quickly. Let's sign in. Save the password for this website. So these are the items that I recently viewed, but I am going to go to Amazon's Montessori materials for toddlers, or I have a preschool student. So these are some Montessori items that you can get for your child at home, or to build your classroom, or just items that you think might be educational and beneficial. So right here is something that I'm going to be looking for my son. This is the Jono Classroom Magnetic Letters, and it's just a variation of the Montessori, their movable alphabet. In the Montessori world and toddler world, Maria Montessori, she obviously did not come up with a lot of her toddler stuff, so it was watered down and built on her program that she designed for 3 to 6. So we find a lot of great things on Amazon. So this is something that I would like to add to my list. So I'm going to go scroll down. I'm going to click on my arrow button. I'm going to scroll down to the screen. And I'm going to click add to list. And so it's a list that it's really cool. You can have a wish list, which I already have plenty of lists that you guys obviously can see. So it's a wish list. It's a list, which one of my lists is called language, which I'll get to that. And then it's a private shopping list. It's also one of my other wish lists. It's a wish list, my toddler supply list. So it's different lists that I obviously can make. So you can obviously create one. So this I'm going to show you. You create a list. And so this would be, the name of this shopping list would be for my son, Mars Preschool Things. You can name it whatever you want. Create a list, and then I can view list. So you can view your list right here. And you see it's added. And you can invite people. You can click on this plus sign, and it clicks on the invite tab, and you can invite someone to view only. Anyone with a link can view your list without making edits, or you can view and edit and invite people and they can add or remove items for your list. So if you have an assistant or something that's helping you create a list, or if you have, mommy and daddy, you want to send it to each other, different lists that you might need, you can use this list. I am building a mindfulness list for my son at home, so you can search for yoga mat, toddler size, boy. So this is a really cool one for their size, and it's on Prime. We love Prime. And then you'll just, this is a nap mat, so it's not the right thing, but we'll do yoga mat for kids, and then it comes up. Sorry. So all sorts of things come up. Let's see. And you just swirl, 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 swirl. And so this is the one for, babies, different things that are coming up. And you keep swirling. Different items that you might need if you want to teach a yoga class. So this is also fun yoga cards that I'm going to add to my list. And I'm going to add it, and I'm going to call it mindfulness. Well, I added to my wish list, but I don't want to do that. So I did it wrong. So in case you did it wrong, you can scroll down to the arrow, sorry. And then you click on this arrow. So you guys can see. And so then you create list. I'm going to do mindfulness. And create it. And then continue shopping. And so that is my Amazon, how I created my mindfulness list and my Montessori things that I want. And so also these are different lists. If you want to view your list, you can scroll down. To all your lists. This is my language list. So these are the things